I wonder what would happen if you bite the slaughterfish that gave you ataxia. 7 beds in this section of the Bull Rock alone. The Raven Rock Barracks is not as small as it would appear to be. What is it? What does your ataxia face want now? What an odd arrow-shaped barracks they have here. That's what you get when you have a lazy bunch of guards not willing to dig up beneath houses a bit, to expand their own living quarters.
Serve House Redoran or serve no one.
Damash.
If you...
What is it? Is that free Sujama for the prisoners? That's it. Let's punch the guard. Or at least consider getting out of here as soon as possible. What a gorgeous and extravagant prison cell they have here. I am tempted to commit a petty crime. Or at least go for excessive lollygagging again. Who wouldn't want to be held up in a prison like this for a couple of nights?